My name is Josh Dickinson, and I am the owner of three great companies. One's a bowling alley, one's an airline, and one is a food mart. Um, each one of these businesses has their own database. Inside there, I have customer information, I have employee information, and product information, among other things. And what I would like to do is get all that information um, pulled out and inserted into their own tables in a general or central database. Um, the way I did this is I used an SSIS package. I have three containers: an extract, a transform, and a load container. Each one of these containers truncates the tables associated with that data. In the first one, the extract here, I have a data flow, and inside here I have a lot going on. There's 9 extract tables, 9 sources. I have to use different lookups to get the correct information that I need and then insert that information into the correct extract table. I then have a transform table, and in there, I actually created 3 stored procedures in SQL, and I'm using this container and an execute SQL task to execute those stored procedures and then insert that data into the correct transform tables. And in the load container, pretty simple here. I'm just taking the clean, readable data from the transform tables and inserting it into the polished, um, finished load tables. I will go ahead and run this. Takes a couple minutes. There's a little bit of data to go through. Everything lights up green. Successful. We'll go ahead and open up SQL here now. And in here I have my database. I'll go ahead and show you the 3 stored procedures. This is the customer stored procedure. Um, Pretty easy transform. I'm just concatenating the first and last names and putting them into their own cell. For the donor, which is virtually the customer for the um, food bank, for their name, I'm doing the donor with the first name or the donor name, and then I am concatenating that with the contact name um, for that organization. I am also using an order by to sort all the information ascendingly by the state. Go ahead and look at the employee stored procedure. It is similar, concatenating the first and last name, hard coding volunteer for the position held for the food bank. And then there are some null values, so I'm using a case statement to switch out those null values with a little easier on the eye, NA or not available. I am also ordering all this by state ascending and the position held. For our product, a little more going on in here. Each one has a description. For the airline description, I just took the gate number column, the flight number, the seat number, and the flight class and concatenated those together with the description. Same thing for the food bank. For the description, I wanted the storage type and the package type of the product. Okay, so we know that this ran and successfully ran. So now we'll go ahead and take a look at the tables. What I'm mostly concerned with are the load tables. That's where the finished product is. Okay, so here we have the customer appreciation table. It has the customer's names, could be the donor and the contact, their address information, phone number and email, and then you can see that it is sorted by state, ascending. I think this is good to keep everybody in their regions together so you can see who's from where. And we'll take our employee table. And here, same thing. You have their name, position that they hold, their address information, email, phone number. You will see these NAs for not available. That used to be null values. It looks a little nicer. And then it is sorted by the state ascending and then by the position that each person held. Now for our product table, you'll see the names, hard-coded ticket in here for the ticket for the airline. For the description, you'll see the storage type and the package type under the description. You'll also see under ticket the gate number, flight number, seat number, and class number. And this is also sorted by price. So, we have our ticket starting at $123 going down to $682. So that is the transform. Everything looks the way it should. And I think this really helped me get the correct information out to our customers, help out our employees by giving them some bonuses and things and knowing how to get a hold of them, and then being able to keep track of our product pricing and trying to keep up with the competition. Hope this video has helped. Thank you and have a great day.